Testing whether a rough stone is a real diamond or not can be challenging, especially since many stones such as quartz, topaz, or even cubic zirconia can look similar. While professional testing methods like thermal conductivity testers or specialized gemological tools are the most reliable, some people try simple household methods, including vinegar, to get initial clues. Here's what you should know about testing rough diamonds using vinegar. 1. Why vinegar? Vinegar is a weak acid that reacts with certain minerals. Fake stones, such as carbonate-based minerals like calcite or dolomite, may fizz, bubble, or lose their shine when exposed to vinegar. Real diamonds, however, are made of pure carbon and remain completely unaffected by vinegar. 2. Step-by-step test with vinegar. 1. Clean the stone. Wash the rough stone with warm water and mild soap. Remove any dirt, dust, or grease that could interfere with the test. 2. Prepare the vinegar. Use white vinegar for the test, as it is clear and easy to observe reactions. Pour enough vinegar into a transparent glass to submerge the stone. 3. Immerse the stone. Drop the rough stone into the vinegar. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Observe the reaction. If you see bubbles, fizzing, or any surface change, the stone is likely not a diamond. If the stone remains unchanged, no fizz, no discoloration, it could be a diamond. 3. Limitations of the vinegar test. Not 100% reliable. Many fake diamonds, like cubic zirconia or moissanite, will also remain unaffected by vinegar. Only useful against carbonates. Vinegar mainly rules out stones made of carbonate minerals. Professional testing needed. To be sure, use methods like a diamond tester, UV light, hardness test, Mohs scale, or get the stone examined by a gemologist. 4. Other simple at-home tests. Scratch test. Diamonds can scratch glass and metal easily. Fog test. Breathe on the stone. Real diamonds disperse heat quickly and won't stay foggy. Water drop test. Diamonds have high density and will sink in water, while some fakes may float. Conclusion. Testing rough diamonds with vinegar can help eliminate certain fake stones, but it is not a definitive method. If your stone remains unchanged in vinegar, it might be a diamond, but further tests are necessary. For accurate confirmation, consult a professional gemologist.